What's up, guys? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you an AI chatbot that talks to your leads after they opted in your website, web page, or whatever. You can trigger it however you want, but after you got and generated a lead, you have an AI agent and a representative that speaks to the leads for you, warms them up, and you can even qualify them via the conversation with the AI and books them to your calendar automatically. So I'm going to show you how it works. Then I'm going to show you the back end of how I build this entire thing. And this is super powerful because you can also personalize the conversation with the lead, with the prospect, and you can automate the entire thing. Back then, like 8 months ago, maybe a year ago, before AI chatbot came along, so you could automate process, but you always had to decrease the personalization. So you increase automation, but decrease personalization. Or you can increase personalization, but always decrease automation. But now, with this technology available and with this system, you can fully automate the entire thing. So you can automate everything and personalize the entire thing also. So it's super efficient, super useful for any type of business that generates leads and is based on communication. So let's dive into it and let's see how it works. So this is I use this same landing page at the other example on previous videos, but this is just an example of a real estate agency landing page where leads just opt in. Or, as I said, it can be for any type of business, dentists, contractors, remodelers, or whatever it is, roofing, any type of business that relies on generating leads and communication. It can fit perfectly for any type of these businesses. Let's go and see how it works. Let's say the lead opted in. What is your budget range? We will do 450,000. When are you looking to buy? We will do 2 to 3 months. Have you been pre-approved for a mortgage? We'll do yes. Currently working with another real estate agent? No. What is your primary reason for purchasing? We'll say upsizing. Do you need to sell your current property before buying? No. Now I'm going to submit the survey, and let me show you something cool that doesn't really relate to this context of this video, but I also have a video about it in my channel. The last video that I actually made is that you can go and score the leads. So I have an AI system that scores the leads for me. Now let's go to opportunities, and it's on the real estate pipeline. So let's refresh, and you can see a lead right here with a lead score of 9. So I have an AI system that scores the lead. I have an entire video about it in the previous video, so you can go ahead and check it out. And I also have the tag AI first SMS. So whenever a lead opted in, the AI agent will send them an SMS. Now let's go ahead, and I'm gonna need to replace the camera and use my phone because I'm filming with my phone. But so I'm gonna replace the cameras so I can actually text the AI and show you how it works. So we just switched cameras so I can have the phone right here. And as you can see, I just got a reply back and a message from the AI after submitting the survey. So let's see what the AI sent me. Hey Jonathan, it's Natalie from Boston Realty. I just got your details in the system. So you're looking for a property around 450 grand, correct? As you remember, when I submitted the survey, they asked me what's my budget, and I said 450 grand. So you can see that the AI actually gets all the information from the survey, understand who he's talking to, understand the lead and his situation, and then generate the best possible message to be very, very personalized to the lead. So it's not either automated or personalized, it's both. So you can see how powerful this is. Now let's reply back to the AI and say, yeah, that's correct. Now you're gonna see, you can see that I sent the reply back, and you can see the reply right here popping up. Now we're gonna wait for the AI to reply back to the message, which wasn't that long. That's awesome. Searching in that range in Boston can give you some great options. What's drawing you to buy? Are you focusing more on location, size, or something else? Let's do location is more important for me. So you can see the AI simply generates messages, having a conversation with the lead just to create some familiarity and warm them up. Now it replied back. Got it. Boston has some amazing neighborhoods. Since location is key, would you like to chat with Mike? He offers free consultations to help you explore areas that fit your style and needs. So you can see that the AI actually using this as a selling point. He's warming up the lead, creating some familiarity, asking them questions, and then as soon as he finds something and an angle to leverage, you can see that he's saying, since location is your key, would you like to chat to Mike? Because he understands locations and the Boston market. Now let's do, who is Mike? Let's ask them, who is Mike? Now, this is a very, very simple communication between a lead and a representative of a company. This example is specifically for real estate, but this is a very simple example. You can feed a lot of data to the AI, train the AI on specific conversations that, previous conversation with your agents or with your salespeople in your company, and you can take it to a whole another level. This is a very simple example, and you can see that the AI replied back, Mike is one of Boston Realty's best. He has a ton of experience helping clients like you find a perfect fit. His free consultation offers valuable insights into Boston market and neighborhoods. Want to see how we can assist you? Let's do. Yeah, that sounds good. So who wouldn't want a free consultation with a real estate agent when he's looking for a home in a specific area? And you can find a real estate agent that his expertise is to help people find in the specific area. So you can see that the AI said, awesome, you can book your consultation with Mike whenever suits you best here. He's looking forward to chatting and assisting you with the requirements. So you can see the AI sent me a link. I can simply click the link and it's going to guide me for my own calendar because I use it as an example for my own. But you can simply have a link to your own calendar. Then the lead is going to book the appointment and that's it. And if the lead didn't book the appointment, so if we're going to wait 24 hours and I still didn't book the appointment, the AI assistant is going to send me a follow-up message saying, oh, I saw that you didn't book the appointment. Could you find a time that fits best for you? And then it's going to try to re-engage the conversation and re-engage with the lead to convert this lead into a booked appointment. Now, let me show you the back end of everything and how I built it. This is the system that actually responsible for generating the responses with the AI. So let me put myself right here. You can see that we have a webbook right here, and the webbook is actually what's in charge of transferring all the data from the CRM, from the survey, to this platform, which is called make.com. So after we got all the data from the lead and his answers, his details and everything, we're going to search for the contact in the CRM, because after the lead submitted the survey, it creates a contact in the CRM. So automatically, after it creates a contact, we're sending an HTTP request to get information about this specific contact. Then it's going to see if it has the tag AI first SMS. So after it just opted in, a tag is being added to the contact, which is called AI first SMS. So if the contact just opted in, it means that it's going to be the first SMS that the AI is going to send. So we're going to direct the lead to this specific branch right here, which is a prompt for the AI to generate this specific message. After that, we're going to update all the custom fields in the contact, which is this custom fields right here. Let me find it. Yeah, so the result of the AI, so the message that the AI generated is going to be the GPT assistant response message, which is a custom field in the CRM that we update each and every time that the lead replies back or opts in the survey. So after we have the message, we're updating as a custom field in the CRM. And then we are adding them to the workflow in the CRM, which let me actually show you what it looks like. So this is the trigger to activate the campaign from a different workflow, from the lead scoring workflow. You saw that we have a score for the lead, right? So after it finished this workflow, it's going to be added to this workflow to start the messaging. So we're going to add the tag AI first SMS. Then we're going to add them to the webbook to add them to the make.com to transfer all the data. And then we're going to remove the tag, because if we don't remove the tag, then it's going to confuse between all the branches. Okay, so we must remove the first tag, so it will no longer have the AI first SMS tag, because it's not relevant. It's not first SMS anymore because it already sent the first SMS. Then after we updated the entire custom fields and we generated a message, we're going to add them to a workflow in the CRM in Go High Level, which is this. AI sends the message, and then we're going to see did the lead reply or not. And you can see that the SMS is the custom field that we updated in the CRM from the AI that generated the message. Do you remember? Right here we got the message. We updated as a custom field in the CRM. And now, because it is the message that is updated as the custom field, we are using it right here to send the message. Then we're going to wait. And if contact replied, then we're going to add a tag lead reply to AI SMS, which is this branch right here. Tag is lead reply to AI SMS. And then it has the prompt right here, a specific prompt for a specific use case. We have all the data from the survey, feeding it to the AI model so it can learn who it's talking to. And using this data, it will generate the best possible message back to the lead. Now, here in the CRM, when the contact replied, we're going to update the custom field with the message body. This is what the contact actually replied. So then we are feeding it back to the AI, telling them, this is what the lead replied to you. Reply back properly. And then we are adding them back to the workflow, which is sending them back to make.com, which is this platform right here. So this is this one. We are sending them back with a custom webhook to make.com to trigger this entire flow again right here. Then based on the tag, the system actually knows where should it go. So this is for the first message on the AI, updating the custom fields and then sending the message. This is when the lead replied. So it has a specific prompt for a specific use case right here, because these are two different prompts, and this is for follow-up. This is also a different prompt. Okay, so you need to have different prompts for different use cases. So if the lead replied back, it's going to go generate a message that fits the conversation, update it as the custom field, and send back to go high level to send as an SMS. But you can see right here that if the lead didn't respond back, then it's going to remove the lead reply to AI SMS tag if the lead replied. If it didn't, then it's simply going to remove nothing because there is no tag there. And it's going to add a tag, lead didn't reply to AI SMS. So it's going to go through this branch right here. You can see right here, tag contains lead didn't reply to SMS. So these three branches are being differentiated by the tags. So if the lead replied, it has a specific use case. If the lead didn't reply, it needs to be followed up with. So it has a specific use case, which is this specific prompt to follow up with the leads. Okay, you can see right here, we're saying in this specific situation, the lead did not answer your last message and you need to follow up with them. This was your last message. We give them this. You send the message at this date and this time. This is the date and time now. So it can probably generate a message and send back to the contact. Now, if it's not the first message and the lead did not reply, then it needs to be followed up with. So it's going to go through this route right here where the tag contains lead did not reply to AI SMS. Now, if you have technical experience and you want to implement for your own business, you can go ahead and do that and try to build it yourself. I really enjoy building those kind of systems. Maybe you won't, so it makes sense. But that's about it. This is the back end of how everything works. So if you know and you have experience in building those systems, you can go ahead and build it for your own business or to sell to other people, sell to your clients. And this specific use case is for real estate. You can do it for any type of business that relies on generating leads and relies on communication and follow-up. So this is basically what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value from it. If you want this to be implemented in your company and you can see the value in it, or you just want to know how AI can be implemented in your business to make it more efficient, faster, more profitable, bigger, then you can go ahead and click the link down below. And I would love to show you everything, learn about your operations and see how we can make it more efficient to make more money, save more time, work faster, provide more value, and make your work a lot more fun. So as you can see, AI is super powerful and it's crucial for each and every company, especially when it comes to generating leads and communication. So if you got some value from this, I would love it if you can go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, because I'm going to make a lot more content about those type of systems and AI systems. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.